Oh my god guys, welcome back! So I'm back again today with another upload, and I'm very excited about this one. It's about Glow Recipe. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but this is my very first time trying it out and I love it! I got this one, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow. Now let's take a look at the packaging first, okay? Guys, you won't believe this, okay? I got it from Sephora and oh my god, okay. Look at this. Okay, it's very, very nice. So you open this up, okay, and then there's another message here. It's just the same thing but in French. So it says, "Hey Glow Gang, visibly plump skin with juicy plum and hyaluronic acid." Okay, and then look inside here. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys can see it, but isn't it pretty? So inside there are some patterns and colors on the sides of the box, and the product's just in the middle here. And look at the bottle. It's so cute and pretty. I love it. I just love the packaging. Okay, now let's talk about the product itself. Okay, in this it is a pump. Okay, so you just push it and product comes out. I usually use about 2 to 3 pumps of the product. It is very, very nice. Okay, let's just try to pump a little bit out here. Okay, and it absorbs really well. There is a slight fragrance, but it's kind of like plum, like a watermelon. So it is kind of like a fruity smell. Usually my skin, when I come out of the shower, it feels really, really dry, like, you know, the stretchy, kind of tight dry. I just apply 2 to 3 pumps of this and it feels great. It soaks right in. There's a slight bit of stickiness, but nothing that is unbearable. So let's go ahead and give this a rating. For those of you new to my channel, I give a rating to every product that I review. So pricing, packaging, fragrance, and effectiveness, okay? So let's go ahead with pricing. It is $55. It is a little expensive, but it does last you. So like I said, 2 to 3 pumps, it's not a lot. So, I mean, I've been using this for a while already and I've still got a little more than half a bottle. So it's not too bad. $55, I think I'm okay with. Packaging. This was the box it came in. This is the bottle. I love the packaging. Even if the product is not good, I really liked opening it up and just, you know, being amazed by how pretty the box was. I would totally give it a point for it. Fragrance. Now, normally I do not like fragrance of any kind, but like I mentioned, there is a slight plum, fruity, watermelon kind of smell to this product, but it's very faint. Faint enough that it's actually pleasant. So I actually like that fragrance in there. It feels really fresh and I don't know, it just reminds you of fruits. So I would give it the point for this one. So fragrance, another point, so it has 3 points so far. And effectiveness, it just melts into your skin. It absorbs really nicely. Your skin feels great after. Like I said, it's a little sticky, but it's fine after a while and it doesn't bother me at all. So I would totally give this full marks. One thing I want to mention, the pump style, sometimes it doesn't come out. So it's a little not so convenient with the pump kind of design, but I guess it's not too bad if you tilt it a certain way, it comes out okay. So if you're bothered by that, then that's something to think about, but overall I do think this is a great product. I would probably buy it again. Okay, and that was all I had for Glow Recipe. So I hope you liked this video, hope it was helpful. If you did like the video, please leave me a like and consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.